The Curious Otter. On the banks of a winding river, a curious otter named Oliver spent his days exploring the depths of the water and the lush surroundings. He had an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a burning desire to uncover the mysteries that lay beyond his watery world. Oliver's curiosity led him on many adventures. He swam alongside fish, dove deep into the riverbed, and observed the dance of dragonflies above. His inquisitive nature taught him to embrace the unknown, for within it lay the secrets of life. One day, as Oliver journeyed farther upstream, he encountered a group of beavers constructing a magnificent dam. Fascinated, he watched as they worked tirelessly, their teamwork and dedication evident in every stroke of their tails. Inspired by the beavers' cooperation, Oliver realized the power of unity. He swam back to his otter family and shared the lessons he had learned. Together, they began collaborating on hunting strategies, teaching one another new techniques, and supporting each other in times of need. Oliver's curiosity had transformed not only his own life but also the lives of his fellow otters. They became a tightly knit community, relying on each other's strengths and learning from their differences. They realized that by embracing their curiosity and working together, they could achieve more than they ever could alone. The Curious Otter's legacy lived on as generations of otters passed down the lessons of unity and the boundless potential that lies within the embrace of curiosity. Please, like, share and follow. Thank you.